Hey everyone, this is Tim from joystick Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom image for your gamer picture on your Xbox Series X profile. And this is really easy to do. So I'm going to press the Xbox button, open up my profile here, and then select it. Go to my profile, then go on down and go to customize profile. Now under here, let's go to change Gamerpic. Then we want to select our profile right here, and then we want to go to custom upload in the upper right side of the screen. Then we want to go to USB. So select the USB drive, plug this into your Xbox Series X, and you're going to have to move photos from your computer or your phone over to the USB drive. And then pretty much anything you have on your USB drive, you can select, and then you can zoom in, you can crop, and then you can reset the image, and then you can upload it. So I could crop it in, and then I can select A on upload in the upper right side of the screen. And then your image will be available to use as your gamer pic. So I'm not going to select this, but I have a custom image on here already. Select it, and it's in the middle of the screen. So with a USB drive, you can easily do this. I tried messing around with the Microsoft Edge browser, saving images, but I wasn't able to get them to save. So the only method I know right now is to use a USB drive, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on joystick Studios.